Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub. In the last video, we have done how to clone a repository, how to create a repository, and how to commit the changes and how to push your code into your GitHub repository. Now we are going to learn how to create the branch. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. Let's get started. So in the last we have done, now we are going to take the branching part. Okay, so here is branch to how to create a branches. Okay, so currently here you can see we have no much branch, right? Okay, so here also you can create the branches from the GitHub repository, but preferably I will go with the, you know, from the command line, right? So let's go and create that one. So I'm going to create a git checkout -b. That means it will create the branch. Okay, if I go and just check like this, okay, so here you can switch to the new branch. If I go to just git branch, previously when I get the branch, like it's a main branch, now I'm going to make a git branch. Now it's gonna be my new branch because I have created a new branch with the help of this command. Okay, so whenever you create a new branch, do git checkout -b new feature. Okay, the next step, this is done. So add some of the files and do the commit part, right? So let's create a new file. Let's touch rajnikant.txt. I'm going to add this file, right? And let's go and just git add. So first of all, add all the files. Okay, git commit. So I have to add the git commit. Now this is the git commit, so I just copy and just implemented a new feature. Okay, this is done. Now I'm going to push git push origin. So which the, first of all you have to check the branch, right? Git branch. So this is new feature. So git, I want to push into my current branch. Git push origin, this is my branch, so I'm going to push like this. Okay, so I'm asking for me the username and password. Let's put the technical Rajni 90. Okay, and here I need to go with the personal access token which I have created in the last video. So where it is, this is my personal access token. Just copy this and add it over here, so it will gonna be like this. Done. And here we go. When I just reload this, you see new feature has a recent pushes for the 4 seconds, right? So it's so currently uh, this branch has my this branch has the code, right? If I just reload, here you can see. So here the new branch come up with the implemented new feature, and here we can review this branch. Okay, so what changes they have done. So implemented a new feature. If I go to the commit, and here you can see that they one change the file with zero deletion, and there is a rajnikant.txt file is coming to that role. Okay, so what I will do, I will just try to because this branch has its own changes, but there is always a main branch, master branch, where we want to put the code into the production, right? So there is a development phase there. Maybe there would depends on your company organization that but by default there should be a local pushing the code, and the another one is the development branch, and the last one that is production, where the client sees your production part changes, right? What you have done. Okay, so you can see now I'm going to push these changes into my main branch. So whenever there is a push request over here, and so I'm going to here like open the pull request now. So it implemented the new features, so I will just copy and add the description accordingly, or if you can reject this one also, create a pull request. Okay, so I will create a pull request, checking it will check the merging availability. If there is a no conflicts, then there is the option that merge the pull request. So and confirm the merge, and it automatically merged to my main branch. You see merged, this branch is merged to the main branch. Here you can see that if I go to the code, and in the main branch, here you can see that Rajnikant txt file is there, right? So here you can see that. So here you can see my code is now going to the main branch, where the user can see the changes, where client can see the changes, right? The master branch. Okay, so here you can see that the branch which I created from the local repository, it comes over here, and which changes I have done, I will come just switch into that one. And here you can see that this Rajnikant txt added 3 minutes ago. Okay, so here you can check what are the things that you have been added over this file, right? So this is how you can create a branch and do the rest of the stuff. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.